Hello, what's up guys? My name is Surjit and you are on Suri the Desi Coder. Guys, so finally the wait is over and GitHub Copilot is here. And so in this video I will show you what is GitHub Copilot and how it works. So as you can see here, it's AI pair programmer, and with GitHub Copilot you get suggestions for whole lines, entire functions right inside your editor. So in your editor, when you write some comment like get random number, so it automatically convert your comment into the function. So you have written the command get random number, and the whole function of getting the random number will be suggested by the copilot. It's amazing, right? So see here. So you can see, as soon as the comment is done and you are writing the function name, and see, the whole function is suggested by the copilot. You don't have to write anything. You have just written the command, you start typing your function name, and the below, this much of lines are suggested by the copilot. Let me show you an editor. So in your editor, when you write command like get random number, and then below this line, the whole function will be suggested by copilot. Similarly, if you write binary search, so below this line, the function will be automatically suggested by the copilot. So that means you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to search this function on Google and you don't have to copy it from Stack Overflow. The whole function is suggested by the GitHub Copilot, right? And it's powered by OpenAPI, and you can see here it extends your editor. Obviously, it extends our editor, but at the moment it only works with VS Code. And maybe this is because GitHub is GitHub is of Microsoft Corporation. And VS Code is also developed by Microsoft. So maybe because of that, maybe in future they will release this for other editor as well. And you can see here it speak all the languages you love. So at the moment they have provided the tutorials of Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby and Go, but they are saying like it works in almost every language. And here you are the pilot, so obviously with GitHub Copilot you are always in charge, and it gives you suggestion, and then you have to choose whether you want to accept it or reject it, and you can manually edit the suggested code as well. And here they are saying it's more than autocomplete. So obviously it's more than autocomplete because it gives you the suggestion of entire function, so it's more than the autocomplete obviously. Even here you can see in the JS file, when you're writing your function name, you have just written this line and the whole function is generated by the copilot. Here you can see it also provides you the way to select to choose alternative suggestion. So you can click next to see alternative suggestion, and if you find it right, then you can accept it. And now let me show you how Copilot works. So here you can see here is OpenAI Codex model, and here is a Copilot service, and here is your editor. So in your editor, when you write some comment like get random number, so your editor context is passed to the Copilot service, and here the OpenAI Codex model searches for the code based on your command, and when it finds the suggestion, then the Copilot service provides the suggestion back to your editor. And then in the suggested code, when you make any changes, like you accepted the change but you are making some changes in your code, so those changes are also passes back to the Copilot service. So those changes Copilot service adapts to improve your suggestions in future. So guys, this is all about the Copilot, and if you want to try it, then you can sign up from here. You have to sign up, and I have already signed up, so I'm on the wait list at the moment. At the moment they are only allowing small group of testers during the technical preview, so you may get chance, you may not get chance. Similarly, I'm already waiting from 2 days. Let's see. So I hope you understand about GitHub Copilot. And guys, if you want to add GitHub Copilot extension, then you can search over here the GitHub Copilot, and you can install it from here, but you won't be able to use it until GitHub accept your invitation. So guys, this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching the whole video, and please do like and subscribe. It helps me to create the content. Thank you so much. Bye bye.